Hello everybody, I told Serge I'd make a quick video to show custom capabilities. So first, let's walk through the output. The exercise we're doing here, which is just to show the custom capabilities, is if I pick a seed keyword, I am accessing a database of keyword data to see what type of keyword volume and difficulty is related to something like Denver Broncos schedule. So what showed up here is a volume of 16,500 and a difficulty of 75 out of 100. Now, how I was able to do this is there's an API call that I can make from SEMrush. And here's the request example, and here's the data that was returned. So I took this URL and I built it, I put it into the custom capability section. I called it keyword data. And I said returns keyword data for one specific keyword phrase. And the phrase is that, I could put whatever in there as a sample value to test, but the phrase is AI generated and everything else is manual based off of that. So that as I interact with it out here, the custom capability knows that I'm trying to send in the phrase. And if I look at the instructions, the tricky part, once I got that working and I can test the capability when I'm in there. Let me do that real quick. So when I'm in here, I can test the capability and make sure that it's working. So, it's working for the sample SEO phrase, but I'm going to send it in for the keyword that we want to collect data for. And I have a title called keyword data, and I said returns keyword data for one specific phrase. So basically the API is waiting for me to make a call, and Chipp is going to send in the phrase, but all the other values in this URL are static. So then when I go into my instructions, what I've done here after establishing a role and an objective, here I say to collect the keyword data, I say use the custom capability called keyword data to obtain information about the keyword. Now there's all kinds of things that I could do here. I could think about the best blog posts to write. I could think about how to compare different keywords together, but I just wanted to show the concept of calling the custom capability by referencing it and then also setting up the API call in the back. So there's all kinds of things I could do from here, and even with SEMrush, they have all kinds of different API calls that I can make. But the concept is to go towards an endpoint with an example request to get a response that you can then use with Chipp to output the data. So the logic here that we just saw was define a topic, Broncos football, get 5 keyword phrases, asked me to select a keyword, and then use the custom capability to obtain it. And then from there, I didn't really go any further and compare keywords because I just wanted to show the concept of building a custom capability and then calling it as a new feature of Chipp. So I hope that was helpful, and go Broncos. We're down 26-13, and I doubt we'll come back with only 4 minutes left to go. It's going to be a long season, but good luck with Chipp.